Okay, so we're going to do some rigid transformations. We've done this in the past, and if you remember, we're just going to be doing this collection of rotations, reflections, and translations in a coordinate plane. All right, talking about how we can move shapes while it's going to be the same shape. It might be oriented differently or occupying different parts of space. Okay, so I just zoomed in right there to plot the points. A is 0, 0, B is 8, 1, C is 5, 5. Okay. So what I'm going to do with rotation, remember there's rules, there's a bunch of different methods to remember how to do this. One of it is to physically move your iPad and see where the points look like they should match up. Okay, I can kind of do it like this, which is kind of cool. Hopefully I didn't distort it too much. But when we looked at these points too after a rotation, again, maybe you just need to practice rotating your paper or reviewing the rules or using a method that best fits you. We get no new actual numbers. Where we go, A 0, 0, B is 8, 1, C is 5, 5. A prime, B prime, C prime are all comprised of the same numbers. Their order might just be different, or they might just have a negative. Okay, and then reflecting over the x-axis. Remember, things are just equidistant. That's 5 above, so that's going to be 5 below. That's where C double prime will land. B was 8 above, so B double prime will be 8 below. There's rules for this too, where if you're reflecting over the x-axis, the value of your x-coordinate stays the same, but your B, or excuse me, your y changes signs. And then this one right here, I like to copy and paste again just to show the actual, hopefully I don't get anything red in there. This is a great way to show the actual translation going on, where we're here and we're going +6, down 1. That's C triple prime, and that's A triple prime, B triple prime, where we simply, a translation is a lot like addition in the sense of you're adding or subtracting to do the slide. Okay. So that's how you do that problem right there. You can pause if you would like a little bit more processing. Okay, let's get started here where we got H. Ooh, we're gonna have to zoom in a lot on this one. I probably should have made this shape bigger. I, J, and then K. Okay, so we got a nice little square. That's pretty cool. All right. So 180-degree rotation about the origin. Okay. I actually just like to perform rotations, but for the sake of this and just reminding you, The rule for 180 degree rotation is the order stays the same of the points, but you just change the signs. Okay, which isn't quite emphasized in this case right here, because we have some zeros, but order stays the same, just change the sign. Like H double prime, I, excuse me, that should just be a prime, not double prime. That's what that problem looks like right there. Okay, so that's 180 degree rotation, and you see how the points are on opposite sides now. Okay, this is pretty cool. We can do another translation, and since I'm in Notability, let me see if I can. How good I am at technology. I have to rewrite some of these points, but we're going +8, boop, down 4, pop. Okay, and for that right there, K double prime, H double prime, that's J double prime, I double prime, and maybe I can erase that right there. Okay, so we just slid that shape, and again, just simple addition and subtraction where I don't even have to look at the coordinate plane. I can just add 8 and -4 to this coordinate plane right here. And then the last part of this is y equals x is this line right here. And they're simply just going to reflect over that by, I can write this rule down for fun, is you just swap the order of the points. That's how you do it. Like, so if you look at this right here, H triple prime, you swap the order, -6, 6. It was 6, -6, now it's that. I triple prime, -6, 8. J triple prime, -4, 8. And K triple prime, -6, 8. Made a mistake when I wrote that point right there. Timeout. Okay, should have been 6, -4. So that should have been -4, 6. There we go. Boop. Okay. Kind of messed that up on for a split second, but I overcame. Go me. Okay, hopefully that's a good refresher. Do your knowledge check.